In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GeForce Now. GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service that lets you stream supported PC games from the cloud instead of running them directly on your own hardware. That means you can play on a wide range of devices as long as you have a stable internet connection and access to the games you want to use. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a GeForce Now account. This gives you access to the service and allows you to manage your settings, connected platforms, and game library. If you already have an account, you can simply move on to the next part. After that, download the GeForce Now app on your device or open GeForce Now in a supported web browser. The app is often the easiest option for the best overall experience, but the browser version can be very convenient if you do not want to install anything. Choose whichever option works best for your setup. Once GeForce Now is open, sign in to your NVIDIA account. This links your account to the service and allows everything to sync properly. Make sure you are signed into the correct account so your settings and connected game services are available when you need them. Next, connect your game accounts such as Steam, Epic Games, Ubisoft, Xbox, or any other supported platform you use. This step is important because GeForce Now works by accessing games you already own or have permission to play through those stores. It streams the game for you, but it does not automatically include every title. When your accounts are connected, sync your game library. This helps GeForce Now detect supported games that are available in your accounts. Depending on your library size, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to update. Now you can search for a supported game you own. Once you find the title you want to play, click Play. GeForce Now will begin launching the game from the cloud. At this point, you may need to wait briefly for the session to start. If you are using a free plan, queue times can happen, especially during busy hours. When your session begins, you can play using a keyboard and mouse, a touchscreen on supported devices, or a compatible controller. Use the control method that feels most comfortable for the type of game you are playing. When you are done, save your progress and exit the game properly. Supported titles can use cloud saves, which makes it easier to pick up where you left off on another device later. And that's it. You're ready to start gaming with GeForce Now.